In this video, I'll show you how to cross out text or how to strike through text in Outlook Classic. So as you can see right now, I'm composing a new email. Now to make this line cross out or strike through, first of all select the text or line and then go to Format Text, and here under Format Text just click on this little icon, and here under Effects select Strike Through and just click on OK, and your text will be cross out or strike through. And here as you can see, currently I've added single cross out text. To add double strike through, again select the text, click on text format, click on this drop down and select double strike through, click on OK, and your text will be double strike through. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And please make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more helpful Outlook videos.